Hey, welcome to How to Fix It Workshop. In this video, I'm going to change the cabin air filter on my 2014 Mitsubishi Outlander. So the first thing you're going to do is open your passenger side door and pull out the glove box. So there's a couple of clips on either side, right and left. You just have to pull those a little bit to the side and they should be able to pop out. And then there's a hinge to the left that you have to remove, and then the whole thing drops down. Behind that is the compartment where the cabin air filter is held, and it's a little tricky to get off. There's a couple clips on both sides. You just kind of unpop those and then you can see the filter. So you just kind of stick your finger in there and wiggle it around until you can pull out the filter. So this filter has been in my car for probably about 20,000 miles, and it is disgusting. All kinds of pollen and dirt and leaves and all kinds of junk. So here's a side-by-side of a brand new one and my dirty filter. You can see a major difference there. So just putting the new filter back in is just as simple as taking the old one out. You just slide it back in to where you can see the fins there are kind of pointing towards you, and it goes right back into the compartment, and then you're going to put everything back together in reverse order. So that little door goes back on, clips on the right and on the left, just like that. A little tricky to do holding the camera. And then you got to put that little hinge on the left side, just pop that on, and then the glove box just pops right back into place. And that's it. Just took a couple minutes. So if they found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up.